floor? The first floor, please. First? Yeah, I got you. What's this? This is the ground floor, man. I said the first floor. Oh, this is the first, man. Are you joking?
One language, so much of confusion. Hi friends, welcome back to Simplish English. Why is it with just one language there is so much of confusion? Today we'll be focusing on 3 different kinds of English. Yes, in order to do so, I have split myself into 3 different people here. Hi fellas, I am from the US. Hi there, I am from the UK. Hi there, I am from India. Before embarking into this exciting journey, let me introduce you to basic differences in British English and American English. Difference number 1. The R sound, aunt, ant. The EU sound or U sound, studio.
Going to the studio every day.
So that makes this platform that I am speaking to you as YouTube. YouTube. Next basic difference is R sound. The R sound in British English occurs only when it is followed by a vowel. In all other places, it doesn't have a sound. Like for instance, father, brother, sister. There are many other differences between these two, but then today's topic is not related to these subtle differences. I wanted to let you know about something very different in all these 3 English languages. What do you call this one? In India, we say brinjal, aubergine, eggplant, timetable, schedule. Keep your books according to the schedule. Is it Z, zebra, Z, zebra. Prepon, advance. Could you please advance the meeting? Reschedule. Mobile phone, mobile. Cell phone, chappal, flip-flops. Slippers, flip-flops. Capsicum, bell pepper, black pepper. Could you please pass me the black pepper? Lady's finger, okra. I don't like it much. Pharmacy, drugstore. There is a drugstore nearby. Why don't you check it out? Maybe it's open. I don't know if it is my thing. In school, I used to call this as dash. My name is Dash. My channel's name is Dash. Blank, blink. I mostly call it as ice stick. Popsicle, ice lolly. He has sugar, that's why he doesn't have sugar in his tea. Diabetes, bathroom, or toilet, washroom, or restroom, toilet. Again, I don't know if it is just my thing. We used to say standard when I was in my school. Grade. I'm a 5th grader. Grade. These are some of the differences. I hope you all liked it. Stay tuned. Stay happy. Stay healthy. See you soon. Bye-bye. Timetable. Then, but and in Indian accent.